Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Before you click buy, here is the quick buyer-friendly breakdown of the Tech Gadget. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. PLAYSYNC Audio 3 system switching. The A50 wireless gaming headset with MIC connects to 3 platforms at once via duct. That can make it more useful in everyday situations. Pro-G GRAPHENE Audio Drivers. Groundbreaking clarity and response for precise audio separation, location and. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. 24-bit LIGHTSPEED Wireless. This wireless headset with MIC offers uncompressed, immersive gaming audio at. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are easy tech, daily use, and smart upgrade. The one caution is simple: check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. My simple verdict: the Tech Gadget looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.